What's up everyone? I hope you all doing well, and today guys we have 2019-20 clearly Donruss basketball little hobby box. It has 4 packs per box and 5 cards per pack. So we're gonna be looking for clearly rated rookie autographs. It's not guaranteed, it's just a possibility. It's also fine ultra rare holo mosaic parallels, each hard printed on stunning clear stock with parallels number as low as 1. So there's a bunch cool stuff in here. Hopefully we can find something cool, and this is debut edition. So let's get it. Let's open this little bad beast. There it is. Yep. All right. Okay. All right. 4 packs. Only 4 packs. But hopefully there's something cool. And here it goes. Let's go with the first pack. See what we can get. All right. They are opening nice. Oh wow, this is epic product. Look at this guys, look at this. Jaren Jackson from Memphis. What is going on in there? Alright, next one. Oh what, it's flipped. What you think this player might be from this white shadow? And it is Isaiah Roby, rated rookie out of 35. And what is wrong with this thing? Wow, our first rated rookie. Dang, it's not great, not gonna lie. So our first rookie out of 35. Wow, alright. And our next one is Steph Curry. And it's hard to see this, but it's like purple parallel or something. And our next one is rated rookie Cameron Johnson. Okay. And our last one is Nicola Melli, rated rookie. So far we didn't get good rookies. That's alright, we still have 3-4 packs left. But we got Steph Curry. Alright, come on. But we got an auto. Okay, let's see what we're gonna get here then. Ooh, and now it's gonna be Devin Booker. There's something in here for sure. And Chris Paul. What? Guys, this is epic. LeBron James. Out of 25. Well, this year LeBron James cards just loves me. This is so epic. Out of 25. This is big. This is big pull. LeBron James. Ooh. Ooh. This is so good. Out of 25. Number 4. There you go. This is the best pull so far. Okay, we still have 2 more left. And next one is Jarrett Culver from Timberwolves. Rated rookie. The centering is not good of these cards, I already can see. Why they always mess up with centering? And one more rated rookie, Terrence Davis from Raptors. Okay, pretty cool. We still have 2 more packs left. Oh, come on. Come on. Can we get something more? Can we get something more? Something more. We'll see. Alright, our base card is Rudy Gobert. Oh, yes! Luka! I don't have his rookie cards, unfortunately, because I started only this year collecting cards, but at least I have now his second year card. I'll take that though. Luka is cool. Okay, and now next one is Rui. Got rookie, rated rookie, Rui. That's a nice card. The centering is really nice of this card. So that's good. This could be worth send grading. Rated rookie, but there's no special cards in this pack so far what I can see. Next one is Brandon Clark. Really nice. Centering is not great. I have a lot of Brandon Clark cards this year. So here's another one to my collection. And last one is Bruno Fernando from Hawks. There's a lot of rookies in these packs. I like it. We still have one more pack left. We'll see what we gotta get there. Right, here it is. Last pack. Can we get even more something better than that LeBron James card? We'll see. Alright. Is there anything in here? Well, there is Trae Young. That's pretty cool. Next one is DeAndre Ayton. And Ja! Yes, boys, we got Ja! And this is like golden. The centering. Look at the centering. Look how terrible centering is of this card. Come on, guys. What's up with all this centering? Are you kidding me? Well, at least there's a Ja Morant, that's good. We got him. And next one is Miofondo Kabengele from Clippers and Alan Smilagic. And again, look at the top, it's weird. Alright, so there it is, guys. This is what we pulled today. I think the biggest pull is definitely LeBron James, his winning year out of 25. Very cool. And probably Ja and couple more good rookies. Luka, the auto is meh. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash a like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.